Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to see how we can manage accounting part in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So here from the ledger we can create whatever ledger required. So if I select ledger here and if I go to the indirect expenses, so here multiple ledgers available, and whichever ledger is not here, so we can create from here. So I want to add, so let's go to the add to favorite, and I want to add the office expenses. So I have added office expenses. Now I want to create the journal entry. So I will go to the accounting and journal entry. So here let's select the date. So let's say 16th of July. So the entry will be, let's say, office expenses debit. So whatever expenses occurred, it will go to the debit side. Let's say office expenses 1000, and it is given by cash. So cash is 1000. So here we can write the narration that office expenses given by cash. So just save here. Once you save, it will automatically reflect to the dashboard, business summary dashboard. So here cash is minus, so I will just go to the accounting, or you can go to the ledger and add the opening balance. So here I will select cash, and let's say I want to add opening balance of 25,000. Select debit side and just add. Now I have added this. Let's go to the business summary dashboard. So here you can see now cash is in a plus 3,480, and if you want to check the cash statement, so here I will just take 16th July and just refresh. So here you can see office expenses entries we have done 1000, and these are all the few past entries that we have created. Now if I want to check, if I want to do the different entries, we can do from the journal entries. So the same, like for example, let's say interest paid to the customer. So here interest paid debit, I will select, write the amount 2000, and how it will paid by cash. So we can just write the same amount and write the narration. So this entry you can create, just go to the customer, search customer from here and go to the star icon and create voucher from here. So it is directly related to the customer profile. So customer interest paid 2000 to cash credit 2000, and you can write the narration and just save this. So these type multiple entries we can do, and it will affect to your business summary dashboard. So here you can see cash is now 1480, 2000 interest is paid to the customer. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Have a great day.